I just go right.
Hey, so we just wanted to do this quick video of how to get these shackle pins locked in there the easiest way possible. I found a way to get it installed on my Super Duty, and so here we go. Basically, we just got a hammer, a little mini sledge, and we're just gonna use that as like a hold on, let me get this set up, as like a backstop. And see if we can get it from here. Yeah, that looks about good. Sorry guys. All right, we just got the other one on. It went on pretty easy. I was listening to a bunch of guys rant and rave about these on the internet and all the problems that they were having trying to get the pin in. And I thought, oh geez, I don't even know if I want to order it, but I need one because the Super Duty, where you connect your breakaway chains, it's horrible. So I don't know if you can see that. So basically we get that here and we just put this mini sledge back there, and then you just tap it. Keep pushing, Jacob. And we just have the, all right, let's see. Yeah, got it on nice and even. And these actually came in yellow, which I didn't like. But, so I painted them black. Kind of a sloppy paint job, but it was just like a little quick something. I'm gonna give them a quick touch up. But the shackles are actually great. I already tested them out on my breakaway chain, connected them, and you know, this part I got it hooked in. It hooks on just fine. And then the other thing that I was going to talk about